Welcome to the captivating world of sushi, a culinary journey that begins at a vibrant Japanese fish market, selecting the freshest ingredients. Each slice of sashimi an exquisite piece of art, and we're here to reveal the secrets behind it. Venture into the kitchen where Japanese chefs share their unique skills. From precision cutting to innovative recipe combinations, traditional and contemporary elements intertwine, crafting extraordinary sushi. Roll up your sleeves, it's time to get hands-on. Master the art of sushi rolling, the right dip in soy sauce, and experience the explosion of flavors. Share your sushi making tales, we'd love to hear them. And finally, the moment of truth, tasting. Relish in the deliciousness of each bite. Discuss the nuances of flavor and join us in celebrating the magic of sushi. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the wonders of Japanese cuisine. Until then, it's sayonara from us.